Welcome to another video in a series of videos for how to maintain your Aquafire water vapor fireplace. In this video, we're going to discuss how to descale and clean the Mist Maker as well as the Mist Maker tank. The first thing you'll want to do is to remove this and just do a visual inspection, tipping the excess water off. In a dirtier environment, you may see some slimy little collection around the base. You may see algae. You may see a little brown or green staining in the middle of this. Those are all typical, and what that means is that it's time to clean your unit. And so if you want to inspect it in a 6-month cleaning, you could simply get away with cleaning the Mist Maker itself. You could pull this out, take it to a sink, use a white distilled vinegar as the solution, pour enough vinegar in here to cover the top of that, let it sit for about 10 minutes, take an old toothbrush, nothing more coarse, cleaning the top of that, put it under a sink and rinse it off. Use the toothbrush to clean up any of the other material you see around the base. And lastly, always make sure that you can see that visual light space underneath it. If that's clogged, you'll want to remove the 4 screws and lift it off the base so that you can clean the bottom of the Mist Maker as well as the mist rack. Reassemble your unit, put it back into the tank, making sure to push the wire all the way down the side. Plug the unit back in, and you're ready to go. This should take place about every 6 months, again, depending on use. If you're in a commercial application, you might want to do that cleaning twice a year. And the next cleaning I'm going to show you, which is the lower tank cleaning, you'll want to do that also twice a year. The average residential customer would only probably need to clean the Mist Maker once a year on a 6-month interval, and on the 1-year anniversary, clean the lower tank.